Hello, hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, the 3rd. Yes, July the 3rd, 2021. We have here only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. Actually, we have two. Let me show this. This is a quintuplet with 5 Sudokus merged into a one whole big quintuplet. Yes, and I've told you earlier I won't do this anymore, the quintuplet, because it takes me more than an hour to solve this. So only one regular Sudoku, the medium Sudoku. I have not seen the news, the other pages of this newspaper. So there's probably an additional with extra Sudokus, but I need to look into it. But first, I will solve this baby, and this one will be a number 3039. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. And for 2 star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Scan. How about the number? Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about? Well, Okay, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9. No 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. 9. Okay. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. You see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. And now, here, 7, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Alright. Then. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. Those missing numbers in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. The 6 is missing and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, we see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this middle row for the number 4. Alright. 5, okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there's 6, no 6 in these two boxes, so 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So here, the missing numbers in this row are the 1, the 2, and the 7. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. The 1 and the 7 are left. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Alright. 4, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, and a 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 4, the 8, and the 9. 4, 8, 9. And look, we have a 9 here. No 9 there. Here 9. No 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. Okay. 1, 2, 8 and 7. Okay. 9, 9. 3, 3. Let me think. 2, 6, 6. Well, in this column, 4 missing numbers. Wait. I need to wait. Okay, 5. How about the 6? 6. Complicated. How about the 1, 1, 1? 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah. 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Complicated. 2, 3, 1, 3, 7. Yeah. 8 and the 7. 1 number left in this column. Overlooked. Number 7 should be this. Okay. Yeah. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There's 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 7 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. 9. Okay. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 3. 8 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Okay. So we have a 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be... Oh, no. 5. 5 and 4. No. 5 and 8. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. Look, we have already have 4 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. Two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. Alright. 7, 7. And now. 8, 8. Let me think. 5, 5. 4, 4. 4, 5, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 5 and 4. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. Okay. And now, let me see. 2, 4, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5. Yeah. No. 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5. No. How about those 3 missing numbers? The 9 is missing, the 8 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 9, 8, and a 6 cannot fill this yet. Difficult. How about those 3 missing numbers? 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. If there are 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. 8, and the 9 is missing. Well, we have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. So the 9 could be here or there in this column. 9. We see there 9. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Now I have a 9 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 9. So this box cannot be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 8 and 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2, no, 7, no, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 is missing. 8 and 4, I believe. Yes, 8 and 4 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 goes there. Alright. So we have a 4 in the third row. 4 in the first row. So in the row between the second row. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 2 and the 8 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and 8. Then. How about the 3 in this row? 3 in the second row. So in the third row. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the third row for the numbers 2 and 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the first row, so in the row between. The only place for the 5 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and this box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 9. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow, I'm very pleased with the time because the time limit was 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the medium Sudokus, playlists for the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the heavy, for the light, for the killer, for the quintuplet, for the ladder Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channels and subscribe, and you'll find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Yes, have a great Saturday, fantastic weekend, and we'll meet again very soon. Until then, bye bye for now.